If the music says edited by, chances are a professional pianist or a music historian went through the music and put in some markings that are going to be very, very helpful in your learning of the piece. And these markings will often include fingering. My second piece of advice for remedying this problem is to check multiple sources. Online, you can find many copies of the same piece of music, and oftentimes you can find many different editors of the same piece. And so go ahead and reference a few different copies of your score and see what they say for fingering. See what fingering suggestions they give. If you find 2 or 3 editions that are all recommending the same exact fingering, chances are it's a good fingering and you want to stick with it. Now, on the flip side of that, if you find that 3 different editors are all recommending 3 different fingerings, then the choice is yours. What sits best underneath your